this meal.
So we're in the Santan Mountains and we're at Jen's parents' property, and I'm just here gonna move the Cayenne into a better spot so we can set up everything and start cooking. But there's a challenge. I gotta figure out what we're gonna cook on. So Orbea was nice enough to lend us a 2025 Wild E mountain bike for this trip, and I found every single excuse to ride this thing because it is sick. Fucking money. So I feel like I do have to say this. Please, please don't try this at home. I have a lot of years of experience with this kind of stuff, and gas is not something you want to play around with.
We are making a roasted chicken and we are stuffing it with apples and oranges, and we have a blend of herbs, sage, thyme, and rosemary to just give it that really wonderful savory flavor. And we smother it in butter, of course.
We're gonna be doing our cooking in cast iron. I'm gonna throw some cinnamon on this, throw some crushed black pepper, throw some apples in there, why not? And just make it look beautiful. Lily, give me a little walk down. What's going on here?
Okay, so we're going to saute these in butter, get them good and sauteed, add the maple syrup, let it glaze, add a little bit of lemon juice after the mint, and let it glaze, let it glaze, let it glaze.
So if you guys don't know, this is Julie, this is Jen's mother. She is a delight.
Hello.
This is their property out here in the Santan Mountains that we've been blessed to be able to spend a couple of days with them during the holidays, get our Santa hats on, all that stuff.
Merry Christmas.
We're making the scalloped potato here right now, so we're gonna make the cream sauce for it. We're gonna do a combination of our cheese, some heavy cream, and we use flour as our thickening agent. So we're gonna get that all started here. We got the pan preheated on the grates, and we're gonna make a nice cream sauce to go inside these delicious scalloped potatoes that we're gonna do in a Dutch oven.
I can't wait to eat.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna be making a cream sauce for our scalloped potatoes, so I'm just pouring some cream in here. I'm gonna be adding some cheese to it and just kind of stir it up, get it to melt and reduce a little bit. Throw some flour in there. That's a thickening agent to make it nice and creamy. Yeah, the cheese sauce is actually coming out perfect. Look at that. Get some salt and pepper in there. A little more cream. Once the consistency is where I want it, I'm just gonna throw some salt and pepper in here and good to go. Best cheese. And that's why Dutch cheese is the best cheese.
Dutch cheese.
Shredding. Thick sauce. A little pepper, a little salt. Gorgeous. All right. If you're a cheese lover like me, this is like pornography.
come to like toast.
Oh, security's here.
Oh, there's security.
Is that better?
Yeah.
He's paid by the bone. Those are looking beautiful and probably sturdy a little bit. We got Jason. He is on fire blower duty. He is using the Barebones Fire Blower here on the fire. And, you know, this tool I think everybody needs to have in a toolbox. It's simple and, I mean, look how red hot these flames are getting. This is camping in the Santan Mountains and just enjoying the outdoors and getting a little festive and just having a bunch of fun.
Yes.
So we're blessed to be out here, and thank you for Julie and Jim to have us. And I think this might be an every year tradition now. Yep. So we are going to do some smoked apples with a brown sugar and vanilla cinnamon kind of reduction, but we're going to do it on our pellet smoker. So this is a camping pellet smoker by Exit Outdoors. It is a fully battery operated and portable and compactable pellet smoker. It's game changed how we camp. It lays flat, there's a little pop on the back, pop it up, and it gives you this kind of grilling area. There's a little shelf if you need it. We're not going to use it today. And then it has a battery pack. It's almost like a drill battery that has a little USB-C on it, so you can actually charge your phone if you wanted to from this thing. But you just plug it in, slide it, and then you've got a pellet hopper. These are wood pellet smoker pellets that we're going to be loading in here. And then we just hit this button. We're going to set this to about 350. Hit the center button, and now it's going to load the hopper into the burn pit. It's got a heating element in there, and it's going to fire that up, get this thing going. And then we're going to be doing everything in a cast iron pan on this and get that smoky infused flavor out of it. $165 is the magic number. We are in the range that we need to be. Checking a couple spots, make sure it's cooked or heat. We're gender neutral with our chickens. That came out beautiful. Our little birdies going. Hopefully he'll hold together. Ooh, smoker is at 500. All right.
Where are plastic bags?
In the bin. Stuff is the bomb. Throw a little bit of nutmeg in there. A little bit of cinnamon.
What about that bowl?
Both go.
Start drink.
Cinnamon. Do you want the cinnamon
Leave
scoop?
Alright, so we are going to make a little plate here. One thing that is always a challenge when doing these kind of meals out in the wilderness is space. Finding a spot to put everything. So we got our bird here. Just take this out. Ooh, it's a little toasty. Let's see how the apple is. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Literally just fell apart. Cut a little piece of breast. Beautiful breast. Now we're gonna go get some lemon. We'll eat. Look at that. Just cheesy potato goodness. So good. I mean, how can you be sad about all of this? And on Christmas. It's a Christmas delight. Delight. No, that was so much fun. We still have dessert that we're cooking, but kind of put a plate together for you guys. A little bit of potatoes. How's that for a meal? That is just delicious.
Oh, gorgeous. Look at this meal.
Holy shit, babe. Jen, this might be the best chicken yet. Well, everybody dig in. It's dirty. It's dirty. Look at me. Alright, Jen, you can give me this. Security's did a little he working overtime here, so he gets a little treat. Frank, what'd you think? What'd you think, security? Frank.
Is there like...
Jennifer, you're kind of in the way.
We got the $1 winner right here.
Yeah.
But the real winner is this meal. Oh my god. I mean, just simplicity, but the flavor from the smoke infused in everything. And the best part, all these people I get to share it with. That's the best part.
Oh yeah.
And then we got security.
Right.
We got dessert coming. The apples are smoking on the pellet smoker on the trailer. So we're gonna dive in, eat, have a delicious dinner, and then when we're all settled down, we got a nice dessert on the way. Pockets coming up. Coming up to the grill here. We're gonna sear those with this, so 5 goes. We got some nice caramelization on that. Just pulled off the apples. Look at that. Beauty. Beauty. Now we have potatoes toasting up. Alright, pulling these bad boys off. Stuff them with some of that in there. And then it goes right in the belly. And this is what you call a pocket of love right there. Beautiful. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah, that slaps. Oh yeah. From everybody at Motor Code United, happy holidays.